People will put you into boxes in life. What colour you are, what religion you are, sexuality, disability.
I think true inclusivity is feeling understood and feeling like you don't have to explain yourself.
Why are we not seeing more people participating in sport?
There have been a few barriers in my life to actually doing sport and in some circumstances not being included. Sport is such a powerful force of bringing people together.
I've seen a country unite or something to look forward to from whatever background or their life that they're in.
If we can achieve that together here today, that's a massive win.
Sharing a part of me that was so personal was what I found difficult.
Just gives me that little bit of myself back.
Everyone who wants to get you down, you've got to prove them wrong. People say I can't race a racing car. All right, watch me go prove them wrong.
Run to the Future is such an amazing idea. A fully, truly inclusive race. Where do you begin with that? Have we bitten off more than we could chew? It's almost like ripping up sport and starting again.